Hello, my eCommerce. Welcome back, Mr. Toss YouTube channels. In these videos, we will tell you some tips for 2022 quarter for online sellers. So the first tips is about inventory controls. So before the quarter four starts, you need to refresh your inventories to see what kind of SKUs they are dead SKUs. Because the dead SKUs, which means stay in your fulfillment center and cannot become your money, and the money is not back. So you need to run out this kind of like dead SKUs, and you may do some like the bundle sales or sales promotion to sell this kind of bad SKUs and get the money back and to have a better cash flow for your next years. And another thing is about the hot sales SKUs. So you need to estimate the hot sales SKUs, the inventory level, and the order volume in order to know how many like inventory you need in your fulfillment centers to prepare this year quarter four. Because if you don't have like enough like the inventories, your hard sales will become like back orders. The back orders is really impact for your customers' experiences during quarter four. Because if you have no stock in quarter four, you need to talk about the suppliers, and the suppliers need time to like produce the products. After the shipping time also will be long during the quarter four, so your customers has really bad experiences, and it's not really good for your D2C branding. So here are second tips. The second tips is about the communicate with your fulfillment centers. Because as you know, the quarter four is a big season for the e-com sellers. All the e-com players put a big budget on it. So which means the daily order volume will be increased a lot. So just talk to your fulfillment center in advance to give like general forecast and the order volume increase, and tell them your promotion plans as detailed as you can, because it will help your fulfillment center to arrange the manpower for your project. And don't forget, during the quarter four, you have Double 11, and you have Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Boxing Day, and Christmas seasons. So all the sellers in the e-commerce, they will increase orders a lot. But still remember, your fulfillment center is not only working for you. They work for different like e-com sellers. So when you talk with your fulfillment center early, which means they put you as priority. So they you know your plans. They can keep the 100% like order fulfillment accurate and also the on-time rate for you. So don't forget tell your plan to your fulfillment center, and it really help you and also help your fulfillment center to arrange the on-time processing rate for your online stores. The third tip is about the shipping controls. In the quarter four, the air freight will be increased, and a lot of like coastal, like last mile delivery companies, they will be like add the additional like the high peak season surcharge for quarter four. So if you pre-talk with your shipping carrier and the 3PLs about a range of the shipping increase, the percentage, so you will know how much like the shipping will be increased to, and you can better calculate your profit margin, and you can better to advance to arrange your marketing budget and also your ads budget. So it's really help you to calculate before the quarter four to have a better profit margin. Okay, my friends, it's all about today's videos. All the three tips about the 2022 quarter four. Hope everyone can make big sales in this year. Bye.